Day 8 of System Design Premiere. Today I learned about key concepts of relation database design. In next few days, I will post videos about database system design interview concepts. We know there are relational and non-relational database, and today's focus is relational. But first thing first, what is relational database? A relational database like SQL is a collection of data objects which is organized in tables. Each table has purpose, such as bank address table, bank balance table, recent payment records table. We maintain relation of these tables using transactions. Transactions have to be ACID. A is atomicity. Each transaction is all or nothing. C is consistency. Any transaction will bring the database from one valid state to another. I is isolation. Executing transactions concurrently has the same results as if the transactions were executed serially. D is durability. Once a transaction has been committed, it will remain so. So to answer the question, what is relational database? Relational database is a collection of data objects and tables which are maintained by ACID transactions. What is the benefit of relational database? Although I will compare relational versus non-relational in a separate video, one benefit of relational DB is that the data is normalized. Normalized data means there is no duplication, redundancy, and consistent data type in a column. This will eventually lead to smaller data records in our database. What are two types of database design? Based on how we replicate database, there are two types of relational database. As we learned in day 1, we need to replicate database to avoid single point of failure. First style is master-slave replication. Database admin or users can only write to the master, and anyone can read from slaves. So no one writes into slave databases. If the master goes offline, the system can continue to operate in read-only mode until a slave is promoted to a master or a new master is provisioned. What is good about master-slave replication? It is very important to know that writing into database is more time-consuming than reading due to disk specification. When we write into database memory, we need to find open spots. If there is only one master, we don't need to worry about which master should we write into. What is disadvantage of master-slave replication? Additional logic is needed to promote a slave to a master. Second style is master-master database replication. Both masters serve reads and writes and coordinate with each other on writes. If either master goes down, the system can continue to operate with both reads and writes. What is good about master-master replication? We don't need to worry about slave promotion anymore, so the replication logic is less complicated. What is disadvantage of master-master replication? Because users can write into either of databases, we will need a load balancer or we need to make changes to your application logic to determine where to write. Another disadvantage is that conflict resolution comes more into play as more write nodes are added, and as latency increases. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's topic. I will keep posting System Design Premiere series for you to prepare tech interview or growing as software engineers.